Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials. Sign into the exact Google account that owns the document, then open the doc. Once done, clear your browser cache or launch an incognito window to rule out extensions. This quickly isolates local issues. Make sure the document isn't locked by someone else and verify ownership or shared permissions. While you do that, also note the browser version and internet connection speed, because slow networks or outdated browsers often cause save or loading problems. Next, dig into the middle steps. Disable browser extensions one by one or switch to Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to see if the problem persists. If the document behaves oddly, immediately create a copy or download a backup to preserve content. Examine revision history to identify when the issue began and restore a stable version if available. Also test collaborator edits by temporarily removing collaborators. Conflicts from simultaneous edits can create sync errors, so reproduce the error with a single user to pinpoint the cause. To finish, reset any doc-specific settings, sign out of Google and sign back in, then reload the document. Make sure your browser is updated or reinstall it. Alternatively, open the document in the Google Docs mobile app to see if the problem is browser-related. Once fixed, migrate content from the copied file if necessary. If issues persist, one key troubleshooting tip: always test fixes on a duplicated file first so you can experiment without risking the original document or losing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.